We have not been here since July 2024. Hi. We're here for the air conditioning.
Yes. Let me just call my dad.
Okay. Maybe come in?
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah. Hi. They're here.
That's nice.
Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
Thank God. How are you doing?
All good. Thank you for coming.
Of course. Tell me what's wrong.
So, I turned the air conditioner in my bedroom last night, and everything was working except it wasn't cooling.
Okay. So just the master bedroom, correct?
The master bedroom.
Okay. Your daughter knows what the thermostat is for that?
I'm sorry?
You know what the thermostat is?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay. All right. I'll call you back. Let you know what's going on. Hi.
Okay, the unit outside is the closest to the faucet over there, like by the gate.
Okay. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Okay. No problem.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Lead the way.
Okay.
Bye.
Quite simple, okay. Let's see what we got. All right, let's.
I'm not sure. Remember if there's a baby sleeping. So.
Yeah, we're just gonna be in here, no big deal. All right, there's the click. All right, heard the air come on. That looks like a return. Let's go to the attic. Is this one? Yes. Okay. That would be messed up with the baby sleeping in the attic, right? All right. Okay, so far so good. The never-ending doors and closets. All right, so there's the air handler. Go see if we can go find a filter. Go in there. See a filter anywhere? Huh?
Nope.
No, you don't see a filter? No? Okay, so right in front of you is the return. Okay? Right? Follow that. What is that?
Installation, because they don't have a cover for this.
Okay, is there a filter in there?
Sir,
Is it clean?
Clean, brand new.
Okay. There's no cover for it, huh? There's a cover right on top, though. Put that in place. Does it need a screw or something?
No.
No, it doesn't need a screw?
No, it's perfect.
There's no screw holes on it?
Nope.
Is it magnetic or something?
No, it like basically.
Clips into place?
Yeah.
So there's no screw holes on that cover?
No screw holes, nope.
Wow. Okay, but it fits perfectly into place.
It's perfectly into place, yep.
All right. Well, that's weird.
What do you
Okay.
want to do? Yes.
Filter's clean. Very good.
Filter is brand new.
All right. Yeah, I guess he just changed it. Okay, let's go to the outdoor unit. Door. By the way, I got these Camel City socks from Camel City. They're quite comfortable, and they have a American flag on them. All right, let's go see the outdoor unit. All right, so he said the one closest to the hose faucet. Good old Evcon. An R407C condenser. All right, grab the whatchamacallit, gauges. Probes, grab the probes. Tons of refrigeration oil present here. We have not been here for this machine in probably a long time. Well, 145.7 psi. Let's check the other side. Let's see what we got. Well, we turned off the power at the disconnect. It looks like we got some kind of restriction in the system because these pressures aren't even moving. As a matter of fact, the high side is going up. Jeez Louise. And we haven't been here in a couple of years, and refrigerant oil's nearby. I'm gonna guess someone else has been tinkering with this thing. R407C, like, I don't even stock R407C. I don't even hear the compressor running. Let me get the drill with the short 5/16 on it. I'll take a peek inside here under the hood. This compressor's doing. We have here 35/5. Test the geo. What do you got?
We got 33.
33.
22. What is it rated?
And 5.
It's 5.
So the condenser fan mode, the compressor is not firing up. But the capacitor's good. Got the clamp on meter on my black wire going to my Herm from the dual capacitor. Let's see what kind of amperage we pull when we turn this bad boy on. Compressor ain't starting. Compressor ain't starting, and we got some kind of restriction in the system too. This R407C system is FUBAR. Figure it out what it means. Ask ChatGPT.
Hello.
Hi, this is Mike from Pipe Doctor.
Hi, Mike.
How are you?
Good.
All right, so this is that the outdoor unit is the one all the way on the end, right?
Yes.
The Evcon system, the one that uses R407C refrigerant. So
I think so,
you have a few issues here, but not much I could do for you. The compressor's not starting. The refrigerant pressures are not balanced with the system off. Not much of a repair we can do here.
What's the solution?
System replacement.
What does it involve?
The indoor unit comes out and gets replaced with a new air handler. The outdoor unit gets replaced. The copper lines that connect the two together, we pressurize, make sure that they're intact. We flush them of the old oils and the refrigerant oils that the old lines carry. and put in a new outdoor unit and give you a new system.
The indoor unit has to be changed also?
Yes. Yeah. Your system is so old, and it was, pieced together with something to make it compatible years ago. But this system is so old that the refrigerant that replaced Freon was replaced.
Right.
So that's where we're at now. There's not much. There's no repair of this. At least one that's not gonna break the bank. If you want to throw money at this thing, find someone else and let them take thousands upon thousands of dollars from you, because that's the only thing that's going to try to bring this back to life. And the refrigerant, we don't even carry this refrigerant. And most contractors don't either.
Okay. So here's okay, fine. So can you give me an estimate about how much all of this will cost me?
Yeah, where's the cover? This is a 2-ton system. I can give you a new system for $10,000 even.
Okay. Now let me ask you this. Since you're there, I have another unit that's not working for a few years, since a couple years after Sandy, and I didn't use it. But if I'm going to replace, I have to check it out also. The unit is in the playroom. My daughter can show you where it is.
Okay, so you want us to diagnose that one as well?
It's on the first floor.
Okay.
It's in the playroom, and we'll diagnose this also, and maybe we'll do a whole overall for both.
All right. Well, if the other system is R22 Freon, there's not much to do with that either. But we'll see. Is it the original? This is like the original one that's here, because you have two Goodmans, and there's one in the middle. That's it's like a York.
Yeah, I'm not sure which one belongs to which.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, the one that's off right now. Okay.
But if you'll turn it on, and the
Okay. All right. So we'll run diagnosis on this one as well. So it's double the diagnosis. But okay, no problem. I'll call you back when we have something for you on that.
Okay.
All right. Honestly, I wouldn't even waste my time. But we're here, whatever. But it's okay. Well, the condenser uses a micro-channel coil. Those are prone for leaks. And the system is off, in the off position. Let's just see if there's any refrigerant in there. I don't want to waste time and money. The system is empty.
There was no refrigerant.
Yeah. So there's no refrigerant in the system, right? So
Right.
I
I just want to know the estimate to replace both, basically.
So
If you
this
replace I'll do
one-
I'll do both.
I gotta find the model number of this one. Okay, let me. I'll call you back. Let me figure out what the model number is of this.
Okay, thank
Give me a few minutes. Thank you. Bye.
you. No.
There's no refrigerant in the system. Look. You don't need to get your gauges out. You don't need to do anything. You could just get something and just go like that, and see there's nothing there. So the only thing that we gotta figure out is what the model number is of this thing. Ooh. 48. Model number. Is that an 8?
It's a 8S.
Or 8, S2.
4.8.
It's a 4-ton system. So he's got a 2-ton and a 4-ton. The 2-ton, I saw the attic. It's quite easy. Popping out the air handler, putting a new one in, flushing the lines, and that's a very good price. After a manufacturer instant rebate on a 2-ton system, an ACIQ Mikey Pipe system, yeah, I think it's awesome. One more time for shits and giggles. Ain't doing nothing. Food bar.